And we are rolling. Okay, so yesterday this channel surpassed 1 million subscribers and my mind is completely blown. But look, this isn't about me, truly it isn't. It's about you, the people that watch these videos, the audience, because without you, quite simply, I wouldn't have surpassed this incredible milestone. I love making these videos and have done since I started this channel 5 years ago, back in 2017. In fact, let's rewind back to 2017, where you'll see my mind being blown by you, the people subscribing to this channel. So this week in particular, my channel has grown. I'm now up to 164 subscribers, which on the scale of things is very minimal. But I just want you to know that I genuinely appreciate everyone who has hit that subscribe button. Now I know these aren't big numbers by any means, but it has given me encouragement to start posting more videos. Yep, we've all got to start somewhere, haven't we? The echo in that room was terrible, by the way, but hopefully seeing that will at least give you a little bit of encouragement. Now, because I really can't put into words just how grateful I am for all of your support, I thought I would at least try and show you, and I thought what better way than to hook you guys up with some filmmaking gear. I see your comments, I hear you. Some of you are just starting out and you don't have the equipment needed to follow along with some of these tutorials. Let's be honest, video gear can be expensive, especially when you're first starting out and you might not have the budget. Maybe you're looking to turn your hobby into a career, or maybe you don't even own a camera, but you're looking to start your filmmaking journey. Well, you could be very close to getting your hands on the tools needed in order to create, because to celebrate hitting 1 million subscribers, I'm giving away a ton of video gear thanks to some very supportive and generous brands. Now, entering really couldn't be easier. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that just as soon as I've told you what is up for grabs. Now, there are 3 main prizes. If you are the lucky winner of first place prize, you will win an Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. So you get both lenses with this package. You get the 4K boost lens plus the 360 lens. I actually took this camera out to a wave pool yesterday and managed to capture some shots inside the barrel. So if you're looking to capture some creative footage, then this is really going to help. By the way, all the products that you get sent will be brand new, unboxed, unopened. These are just my personal ones that I keep here in the studio. Now, included in first place prize is also the brand new WEEBILL 3. If you're looking to capture smooth cinematic footage, then this gimbal is going to get you well on your way. If you watched last week's video where we shot a visual effects sequence, the gimbal that we used to capture that footage was the WEEBILL 3. Been using this gimbal for the last couple of months and it delivers incredible results. Nanlite have also contributed. First place prize will also get the FS-150. Look at this thing, it's an absolute beast. Perfect for your home studio or office. They're also chucking in the softbox, so you're going to get really nice, soft, diffused light. They're also chucking in a PavoTube T8-7X. This thing is incredible and perfect for adding color to the background of your videos. I'm a huge fan of tube lights, as you can probably tell by looking around this studio. Epidemic Sound are also involved. They're offering a 1-year subscription, so you'll have full access to their huge library of music and sound effects, perfect for making your footage stand out. Okay, so everything that you can see on screen here is included in the first prize. Moving on to the second prize. Second prize also includes a WEEBILL 3 combo kit thanks to Zhuin. Again, a great gimbal, perfect for capturing smooth cinematic footage. Also included in second prize is a care package from SMALLRIG. You're going to get a tripod, a foldable side handle, a mobile video cage. You're also going to get an anamorphic lens, and as well as that, you're also going to get an LED video light. All of these accessories are going to massively help level up your films and videos. And prize 3, again, thanks to Zhuin, is another WEEBILL 3 combo kit. The combo kit, by the way, comes with the fill light, the wrist rest, everything that you need to make capturing cinematic footage much, much easier. So those are the prizes, but how do you win? Well, let's keep this really simple, shall we? So as many of you can get involved as possible. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to go out and shoot some cinematic sequence for me to judge, only to be told you haven't won and have wasted your time. No, 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 no. This is going to be much more simple than that. All you need to do is be following the official Learn Online Video Instagram account. I will link that in the description below, and send me a message. Tell me a little bit about yourself, where you're from, what you would do with this gear, and how it might help your filmmaking journey. I will then select my 3 favorite messages and personally be calling you to tell you that you've won. You've got exactly 7 days. Any entries after August the 19th, 2022 will not be counted. Full terms and conditions, as well as a list of everything up for grabs, will be in the description below. I want to thank you once again for all of your support. You, the people that are subscribed, and the people that watch these videos, as well as the brands that have helped make this video possible. Right, I'm going to head over to Instagram and start checking my messages. You do the same. Head over there, send me a message. Good luck to everyone involved. See you in the next one.